Next up, we have another great entrepreneur from Reserva Tours, which is an innovative booking platform where hotels and their agents trade directly with each other in all matters concerning their business relationship. Please join me in welcoming Steinar Atli from Reserva Tours.
Hi, my name is Steinar Atli, and I'm a total travel tech nerd. I'm here today to talk about travel tech, luckily. I used to work for the first low-cost airline in Iceland. I've also worked for a large travel agency in Iceland. I've worked for a bus company and a hotel, but for the last few years, I've been focusing more on the technical part of tourism. As we all know, tourism has different types of companies. We have hotels, we have rental cars, we have even travel agencies, tour operators, and more blurry companies doing other things, and even all of these things. But why is it so complicated for companies to work together? I know all of you want to work together, but it's complicated to share inventory and make a booking for a hotel room or a rental car if you're a travel agent, or you're a hotel and you want to share your hotel room with a rental car. The reason lies in the amount of systems behind the hotels and behind the car rentals. It's kind of a luxury problem. The hotels can choose between 1,300 PMS systems around the world. In Iceland, it's more closely to 20 systems, and the rental car industry does the same, and the tour operators and the travel agencies. I mean, Excel is one good, well-organized folder is one system, and then you have systems like Trip Creator and others. But what if there was a solution to combine all this inventory into one place, one user face, or even one API? I'm here today to talk to you about Reserva. Reserva is built as a platform, making it easy for travel companies to book, modify, and even cancel the bookings from any integrated booking system, and of course, based on the cancellation policies and the logic behind the booking. We have created a unique voucher system as well, for hotels, so they can share their inventory with people online, creating their own reservations. This can be used as a gift card application or for disrupted passengers at an airport. We're currently working on our wallet feature that will automate all the billing between suppliers and buyers. I will get into that later. But let's dive into Reserva Rooms, as I have spent my last 2 years building this with a great team, and the first part of the system was focused on Reserva Rooms, then we went into cars, and then we are going even further. So Reserva Rooms, let's check out the user interface, and I can also talk a little bit about the speed of the API. It's a 55-second demo where how you can log in as a travel agent, a company, or even an organization, or an institution of the government. You can search your agreements, direct prices, or open contracts with any hotel, and you really don't care what booking system they're using behind the scenes. You can play around with the map for geo-filtering, you can filter the search results, you can choose the hotel that you want to book. All the reservations are using rate plans and live inventory from the hotel systems. We support meal plans, multiple currencies, price per occupancy, and even more. We have custom fields so the travel agency or the company can fill in the necessary data, and in this case, some external ID like a verkbeiðni from Vegagerðin, and I fill Jón Jónsson, I type in his nationality if I have it, the name if I have it, and I simply click confirm and book. All these reservations are then shown in a list of bookings. And again, if you work for Vegagerðin or some other company or even a travel agent, you really don't care where the reservation was sent to. It needs to be sent to the hotel or the car rental, but we don't really care into what system. That's why we don't tell you what system it is. The hotel integrated to Reserva, and you have participated in Reserva as well. If I want to cancel the booking that I just made, I can do it through endpoints of the API, or I can use the user interface. And if the cancellation policy allows for it, I can simply cancel it, and it's canceled and sent to the hotel. I can as well modify everything in the reservation and send it to the hotel as well. The reservations, the availability that showed up in the search results is based on contract. And we have created a really simple yet powerful contract management system. You can search for all the hotels in the system if you're a travel agent and request a contract. You can do the same for the car rentals. And if you are a car rental or a hotel, you can offer a contract. You can offer them specific rate plans, single occupancy only, or only the double occupancy of the room, or give them the opportunity of choose between single occupancy and double occupancy, and all the features that you want to. So the hotel keeps the inventory on their end and controls who can do what. We even have a really powerful inventory table, so you can put a stop sell on some contract using the same rate plan as another agent. So agent number 1 can't book, and agent number 2 can still book, even though you're there connected to the same rate plan. So all the restrictions, all the availability, and all the prices are up to date. Same goes for Reserva Cars. We've already integrated the most used car rental system in Iceland, and we are close to finish the integration to three of the large franchise systems, not going through any middleman, straight into their booking systems. They will go live in early June. The same UI is to rent a car if you are using the user interface of Reserva, logged in as any agent. As we have limited time, I can't show you that, but you can visit our booth outside and we can give you a demo. But how does it work? For you in the audience, you might want to understand how this works, but your daily tasks of creating a reservation, you really don't care. So I'm here to tell you about how it works. Reserva is for companies that want to buy services like a travel agent or an online travel agencies, and we already have a German and a Chinese travel agencies online integrated, displaying live inventory from Reserva for cars and hospitality, rooms of course. And if they want to make a search for Iceland Hotel or they want to make a search for Hertz, they simply use the API and get the live inventory in their system. But if they want to make a search for all the inventory, they can do it as well using the APIs or the user interface. They really don't care what system is behind it. So we integrate over 80 hotel systems, and we are almost finished with all the necessary inventory systems of the car rental industry here in Iceland. And all these integrations, of course, work for hotels anywhere in the world. For example, we integrated a system the other day, not even used in Iceland. It has 12,000 hotels in New Zealand. So the list is getting larger every month, and hopefully the inventory, the hotels and the car rentals will use those integrations. So this allows any type of buyer to work with any type of supplier using Reserva. For the bookings, I'm here also to tell you about it takes 2.1 seconds to make a search in our database for a hotel. So even if you search for one hotel or all the hotel contracts that you have, it takes on average 2.1 seconds, and we have a dedicated team to get this under 2 seconds. I know some travel agencies and other companies are used to something else. They are used to old methods of contacting the hotels and getting this down to 2 seconds, bundling into a package booking engine. The speed really matters. So, pretty smart, right? Fast, nice, even cheap. But now that we have built this platform, and we can't wait to see what other companies will build on top of Reserva, all this inventory, all these integrations that we have done behind the scenes, we wanted to show that we could also build something on top of it. So we built a gift card application. This gift card application, we quickly realized that we could actually build it on top of Reserva, and it's a truly unique voucher system where you can create, sell online, and book the gift cards or vouchers without anyone touching it. It's fully automated, no matter what hotel system is behind the scenes. So I know a lot of hotels are selling gift cards online, and it's nice to create it, sell it, and then the hurdle begins. Emails, phone calls, canceling the bookings, and all this. So in Reserva, you can create it online, publish the gift cards on your store, sell it on your website, use your payment gateway, get paid immediately, and We support single and multi-property gift cards, non-accommodation gift cards for spa access or something similar. You can have multiple room types, several rate plans. The key is to have the rate plan in the gift card. That's how it's the inventory behind the room type is controlling the usage of the gift card. We do discounts, upsell, reservation value, or zero value. This means when you use the gift card, 2, 3, 4, 500 days from buying it, the reservation value sent into the PMS system is either a zero or the amount of the gift card that the gift card was sold on. We do length of stay, inventory management, images, text description, and even more things to fully automate and keep all the logic in the voucher. When you use the gift card, all this logic is used in the booking funnel. So depending on what type of voucher or gift card you have, you scan the QR code or type in the gift card ID, and of course we took out zeros and O's and I and L and 1 and all these confusing letters that can cause confusion when people are using gift cards. So we also do multi-property gift cards, and this allows hotel groups to sell gift cards for more than one property. So imagine you have a large hotel property that has like 20 hotels around Iceland. You can sell one gift card and the person can choose the hotel based on availability, all the room types in an even upsell. Same goes for disrupted flight passengers. How cool would it be to sit in an airplane that's being canceled? That's not cool. But on the way back, you get an email with a voucher saying you can choose your own hotel. All the hotels around Keflavík Airport or any other airport, you can simply choose the hotel, choose the room type, you never see the prices, and the reservation goes straight into the PMS of the hotel. Around Keflavík, there are 5, 6 hotel systems. The passengers should not be worried about that, or even the airline. You just use Reserva. So, I've talked about Reserva rooms, Reserva cars. We have the UI, we have the endpoints. You can start building it today, or book the hotels or the rental cars. We have the gift cards. You can start using it today as well. We're working on the wallet feature to automate the payments between the buyers and suppliers, like Booking.com did. It's basically a virtual card as a service. So we will issue a virtual card for every single reservation that the travel agency or the company is creating, and the hotels and car rentals just get the virtual credit card. Of course, they can only charge it on the day of arrival or the next 100 days. But I'm also here today to show you into what we are building, and we're asking companies to sign up and help us build this together. It's called Reserva Tours. Reserva Tours works in a way a little bit different from Reserva rooms and cars. You can even build your experiences. A day tour, you can sell it online as a widget on any website. You can control the pickup locations for every tour. You can have your payment gateway connected to receive payments immediately when you sell the experience online using the widgets. We have an agent portal, so you can invite companies to book your tour through an agent portal. Maybe you work with 20 agents and you want them to go on your website and book your tours and fill in the necessary details for the customers. And we also are doing packages, because our vision for Reserva was that someone would build a package booking engine or use all this inventory from all these hotels and all these car rentals to build a package, simple package or a complex package. Some system like Trick Creator could use the inventory, or you can build it on your own. But to speed things along, we wanted to simply create Reserva Tours with packages and show what could be done, and the larger companies and the visionaries out there could even take it further. So we have integrated it with Bókun, so you can take a tour in Bókun and bundle it into a package and sell it today on a widget. And we are also integrating Tegra. So places like Forest Lagoon and others can take their Forest Lagoon ticket based on availability per entering the lagoon, 30 slots per hour, and you can put it in a package or the agent portal. This is how the system looks like. You can create the bookings, you can edit the bookings, you can go through it. So it's kind of like a booking system for a tour operator. So experiences, simple day tours or multi-day tours, all the pickup locations. You can even manually create the booking in the system, or you can publish it online using the widgets on the right, have it on WordPress or any other CMS. fill in the necessary detail. The person is on the website is of course doing this. Fill in the credit card details. And the booking, Steinar Atli, shows up at the top, and I just made a booking for the Golden Circle. If this Golden Circle tour was mapped or linked to a Golden Circle tour in Bogen, it will be sent to Bogen. So the tour operator will just get it in Bogen. This could be a part of a package or a single tour being sold. So, Reserva rooms, we've been doing it for 2 years. Reserva cars, we've been doing it for a few months. And we already have 4 OTAs connected. And then we do gift cards, and tours is the thing that we are so excited about bringing to our customers this summer. Thanks for listening. My team is outside. Get a demo.